How to get verified on Roblox mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get verified on Roblox mobile. Roblox recently introduced a verification badge to recognize genuine and important creators. To get it, you must be a developer, a UGC creator, or a content creator. Here's what you do. Go to Roblox and click on Settings. Then go to the Security tab. Here, you need to look for the verification badge setting. Now, click on the Verify button. After that, fill out the application. So, the Roblox team will review your application, and if approved, you will eventually get the verification badge. So that is exactly how to get verified on Roblox mobile. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.